Hey, I'm Justin, and if you're here on this video, you're here for a reason. And that one main reason is that you clearly see something in your life needs to change. So let's go through how that can happen for you. You ever look around at your life and think to yourself, I did everything they told me to do, but why? I still feel empty. The money came, the titles came, the habits all dialed in, the systems. But when you lay your head on the pillow at night, you still know something's missing. And that thing that's missing, it's the real you. The you that needs to be peeled back like an onion. The you that has been behind the mask. The you that has been buried deep within. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why nothing external ever feels like it's enough. And how within the next 72 hours, you can begin to feel a new sense of calmness, presence, and wholeness. So the truth is, there are 3 hidden patterns that most people, they never even recognize. And if you choose to schedule your Alive and Aligned session, then I'll help you identify all 3 tailored specifically to you. And they're not in this video because they're within you. And you deserve more than surface level answers. So I have to hear, listen, and understand who you are before I can give you those specifics tailored to your truth. Most people, they don't pause enough to realize that success isn't the problem. It's who you force yourself to be to get the success. And then you leave, or you're stuck with the overthinking, the continuous hum of anxiety that gets louder when you're not distracted, the negative thinking. That all can end. And it's not a mindset issue. It's not a strategy gap. It's just an inherent disconnection from truth, from stillness, from your holistic awareness. I can tell you this because I lived it. The anxiety, the pressure, the constant stress, and the inevitable burnt out state that I was stuck in. So naturally, I had no other place to go, and I had to turn inward. There was not another option, not in theory, but in truth, in the body, in the breath, in the holistic presence. I just couldn't keep ignoring the things that I had been blind to for years. So you, my friend, the pressure that you may notice in your chest, the buzzing that you feel behind your eyes, that's not dysfunction, but it's a signal. And you're not broken. It's just your heart's calling you. You may have tried to outwork it, outgrow it, ignore it. But what if the discomfort, what if that constant hum when everything else is quiet, what if that's the doorway? So you don't need a new strategy. You do need to return to who you were, who you are, when you are still, when you're not distracted. That person who is genuinely there, even if it's painful. That's the beauty in this work. And that's where the Alive and Aligned session comes in. It's a one-to-one experience with me where it's built for people who are doing well. They're fine on the outside, but inside, they know something needs to change. So personally, I'll help you name and identify the 3 hidden patterns that fuel your anxiety and that consistently drain your energy. These won't be generic insights. These will be specific truths tailored to you individually, pulled from your system, your words, your tone, your way of being. I need to listen, to hear, and understand you before I can deliver these truths to you. And by the time we're done, I can guarantee you that you walk away with the exact awareness that's going to shift your entire life. And it all starts, well, it can start within the next 72 hours. That depends on if you're ready. See, the old way, it teaches you to master your life by controlling it. But that's not it. In the new way, it's meeting life from your center with a higher precision, a cleaner awareness, and a new energetic presence. No self-help, no spiritual dissonance. And this is something that Vince said which is meaningful. And he goes, Justin's approach changed how I handle stress. I've never had this level of mental clarity. And he also talks about how it's impacted his relationship to his family, his children, just being who he needs to be. And Myra, she's a PhD physicist, and, this is what she said. As a scientist, I was skeptical, but I've never felt more focused and at peace. So if you're done pretending and truly ready to feel again, the door's open for you. The Live and Aligned session is free, it's honest, and it's just the beginning. And I promise you, you'll walk away with 3 priceless insights showing you where you're stuck and how to start moving forward fast. So if clarity, presence, and wholeness in the next 72 hours sounds good to you, click below, book your session, come as you are, because that's how your life is about to change.